Good morning, everyone. What are you doing in the tree? The check. Wearing a toque, a vest, a thermal, Blair, and my new nylon pants that I love. Yes. And my waterproof. It's a great day.